I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's a look at your latest Weather on Demand forecast. Well, certainly been a very cold start to the weekend, Super Bowl weekend, if that, so certainly will feel like winter across upper Michigan. Notice how cold we are away from the lake. You can actually tell exactly where we're cloud-free as the sun is peeking out now. 4 degrees from Manistee, 6 from Newberry, and there's a few more clouds. We are above zero and actually by double digits, 10 both in Marquette and Lons, 11 from Copper Harbor, where they've seen quite a bit of snow over the last week, but we're still sub-zero across the interior southwest of the UP, -1 from Ironwood and also from Iron River, 1 degree from Sawyer, also 1 from Green Bay. But we're not alone in the cold air. Look at off to the north and west. It's even colder. That's where the heart of the Arctic air sits at the moment. -12 from International Falls, -9 from Kenora, -7 from Uppsala. The winds, they're not a huge deal across the main portion of upper Michigan. However, go to the Keweenaw Peninsula, that's where we're going to have gusts in excess of over 30 miles an hour throughout the course of Friday. 36-mile-an-hour gusts currently at Copper Harbor and 17 sustained from Houghton. And so that will knock our wind chills by sub-zero double digits, so -15 and -20 even at times, especially early in the day. As we head through the rest of the day, we're going to see continued lake effect snow, particularly for Alger County, Schoolcraft, and even Luce, and then also for the Keweenaw Peninsula. But that's not going to be a big widespread event or anything. Matter of fact, interior, the sun will come out for a greater portion of the day. Lake effect snow advisories, though, they continue through 7 a.m. Saturday morning, as our winds will finally switch around from the south throughout the day on Saturday, so that will end the lake effect snow for now. But the reinforcing shot of the cold air is affecting, well, all the Great Lakes, sharing in the pure joy of lake effect snow. And so the same deal goes for us. Mainly UP divided here, especially the extreme northeast and the Keweenaw, as we expect another 3 to 5 inches of snow. Then throughout the day Saturday, we'll see the wind shift around, which will end the lake effect. But then we transition to a clipper-like system here. And so we're talking about a general widespread 1 to 3 inches of snow for everybody. But this also will be quick and relatively light, but temperatures will be cold enough for the roadways to get slick pretty quickly too. So here's the continued lake effect here for the eastern portion. Then our system snow begins from west to east throughout the day. Saturday is 5 p.m. And notice we're all blanketed in 1 to 3 inches. Heaviest, so there actually will be some lake effect snow or lake enhancement from Lake Michigan. So expect to see totals there closer to the 3-inch range. For our highs today, we'll see a very cold day from 13 across the interior west to around 20 east. And the lake snows will continue, and it will feel pretty chilly as westerly winds blow between 8 to 18 miles an hour. Overnight tonight, we're going to be a little bit warmer than we were last night, simply because our winds, notice they go southwesterly, so it'll keep us above freezing for the most part. 3 to 11 will be our range from west to east as our lake snows wind down. Your TV 6-day forecast says don't put your snow shovels away just yet. With the 1 to 3 inches of snow coming on Saturday, you will need them. But more impressively, we get a break here on Sunday, and then we turn our attention to next week, where this could be a pretty potent snowstorm heads our way. As far as the details and the exact track and amounts are unknown at the moment, but we do know that there is a storm coming, and this could produce several inches of snow for sure. And that will, behind that, Arctic air moves in by the middle to end of next week.